If you want to use ChatGPT to talk directly to your apps, there's a really simple way to set it up. Let me walk you through it slowly, step by step. Start by opening the ChatGPT app on your phone. Then open the sidebar by tapping the icon in the top left. At the very bottom, tap on your name to open your account settings. Inside Settings, look for Apps and Connectors and tap it. Here you'll see a list of apps that can be linked to ChatGPT. For this example, choose Booking.com. Now tap Connect. You'll be redirected to a login screen, so sign in to your Booking.com account. Then allow the permissions. This lets ChatGPT access things like your trips and reservations, so it can help you properly. Once that's done, you can start chatting with Booking.com right away. Just type something like, "Booking, show me last-minute reservations." You'll see the app name highlight, and ChatGPT will pull the results using your connected account. And that's it. You're all set to use your apps without even leaving the chat. If this helped you out, feel free to like the video, subscribe, and stick around for more easy tech guides.